This is Elizabeth, and welcome back to GrowthWheel Online. In this video, we'll begin looking at how you can make a growth plan on GrowthWheel Online to use just for yourself or to share with your advisor. There are many aspects of completing the growth plan. You can do a 360-degree screening to find where you need to focus in your business, or you can define your ambitions and track your outcomes, or you can create a 30, 60, 90-day action plan. In this video, I will guide you to complete your own 360-degree screening of your company and view any screenings your GrowthWheel certified advisor may have made of your company as well. Clicking on Growth Plan, you will automatically be taken to the 30, 60, 90 days plan. We'll cover that in another video. Instead, click on My 360-degree Screenings just to the left in the submenu. You may already have some screenings here that were created by your advisor, or you may see that your advisor has requested that you complete one yourself. Here we can complete the screening requested by our advisor by clicking on the screening title, or we can create a new one for ourselves. Let's create a new one. Click on the green plus 360-degree screening button. We can give our screening a title and select the screening type. You can choose between a status assessment, how is your business going, an opportunity assessment, where are your hot opportunities, or a skills assessment, what skills do we need to hire or acquire for our business. Let's do a status assessment. It's easy to click around the wheel to score ourselves. Maybe we have a solid business idea, so we score ourselves high, but we need to add more products or services to our offerings, so we score this focus area lower. It's very fast and intuitive. We can quickly click around the wheel, and if we make a mistake, simply click again to deselect. Now let's choose a few focus areas where we want to focus our attention. This will help our GrowthWheel certified business advisor know where we need help, as well as keep us focused on the important areas of our business. Hover your mouse over a focus area and click on the dialog icon button. We can add decisions, actions, or notes. Decisions are always questions. You have to choose between options. Actions are your to-do list, things you need to complete. Notes are FYIs, just something you want to be aware of. You'll notice that they automatically list at the bottom of the 360-degree screening. Any decisions or actions will automatically load onto your 30, 60, 90 days plan as well. We can add them to our timeline here or later. You can also click on the green plus decision action button to add decisions or actions this way as well. If you want more time to complete your 360-degree screening, you can save it as a draft. On our list of screenings, you'll see that under Status, it says Draft. Let's click on the title to open it again and complete the screening. When we're satisfied, we can click the green Save and Share button. If we want, we can notify our advisor by email that we have completed a new screening. Ask your GrowthWheel certified business advisor if they want to be notified. Now the status shows shared, and if we wish we had informed our advisor by email, we can reopen the screening and select Notify to inform them now. When looking at our list of 360-degree screenings, we can select whether we want any of our screenings to be visible on the growth plan by clicking on the green eye. And we can download our screenings one by one. Here we can download a 360-degree screening our advisor did a few months back and see the screening and the decisions and actions planned out at that time. You may notice from your list that there is a trash can icon next to the screenings you do yourself, but not those done by your advisor. You can delete the screenings you make yourself, but not those done by others, and no one else can delete your screenings either. Finally, we can click on the blue Download button to download our growth plan and choose just the pages we want to print. So that was an overview of how to create your own 360-degree screenings and get focus on your priorities. In the next video, we'll look at how we can define our big ambitions and track the outcomes we've accomplished. Until then, this is Elizabeth with GrowthWheel, and I'll see you soon.